Hello friend, welcome to this my channel Physical Science by AAM, and my name is AMIT ANAND MISHRA, lecturer of physics. Today learn as electrostatics. Electrostatics is the most important branch of physics, and class 12 first units. Class 12 are syllabus are different units, but electrostatics is the most important unit. Electrostatics and magnetostatics. Electrostatics are learn about that the charge is the rest condition. Charge is the also rest condition, and this charge is known as the point charge. And point charge are on these points, and these points are some balloons. In this charges, two charges are electrostatics, are two charges are same, then between applying the force are the same charges is the repulsion force, and opposite two opposite point charges between applying the force are the attraction force, and this force of two charges are developed scientist Coulombs, and these charges are the magnitude F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square is developed. Now suppose that let us consider the two charges, the 2 point charge Q1 and Q2 are the some distance r. 2 point charge Q1 and Q2 are some distance r. Then point A on this charge Q1 and some distance r distance r point V, and this charge are Q2. In these charges are some distance r, applying the attraction or repulsion or repulsion forces, and this charge are same positive and positive, then charge between the force are the repulsion force, and this force are magnitude mathematical calculation, and this charge developed on coulombs. Then in this charges applying the force F is proportional to the these charges are multiplication Q1 and Q2 in the equation number 1, and these charges Q1 and Q2 of some distance, then force is related to the directly proportional square of this distance on this force, and distance are long, then force distance on long, then force are this force are some force in these points be the, and these equations are equation 1 and 2, then written as F proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square, and this symbol of proportional sign is remove that any constant 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 and R square, and this constant are K, and this constant R value K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and epsilon naught is the permittivity or permittivity of vacuum, and K is equal to 1 on the dielectric medium. Then develop this force Q1 Q2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. Coulomb's law, 2 points charges between the force are the mathematical formation 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon r square is developed. And this force are in this force are the Coulomb's law is the problem of special theory of relativity. Special theory of relativity are say that in this theory r is r is very small, then value of f is very high value of f, and this r is very high distance, some distance are very gain some distance are, then force is low. In this point, special theory of relativity are developed. In these points are distance between some distance of 2 point charges q1 and q2 are some distance, these charges are replaced in this point, then q2, and distance of dr, and some distance r minus dr, then this indication are reached to this force, but not possible. When applying the force are in this indication on this force of 1 years, and 1 years between the force, after the force f is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square. In this, applying the force of magnitude of electrostatics of Coulomb's law, f is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. Thank you.